Have you ever wondered what powers the future of transportation? Today, we're diving deep into the technology of electric cars. Electric vehicles are complex machines, but they rely on a few core components: the battery pack, the electric motor, and power electronics. We'll explore each one. The heart of any EV is its battery pack. This massive component stores the energy needed to power the vehicle. Most EV battery packs use lithium-ion cells, similar to those in your phone, but much larger. They store direct current, or DC, energy and deliver it to the motor. The battery's job is simple: hold a large amount of energy and release it on demand to accelerate the car. Next, let's look at the electric motor, the component that actually drives the wheels. The electric motor converts the electrical energy from the battery into mechanical power, turning the axles and making the wheels spin. EVs can use different types of motors, primarily AC induction motors or DC permanent magnet motors, each with its own benefits for efficiency and performance. The power electronics, specifically the inverter and converter, act as the brain of the electric powertrain. These components regulate the flow of power, ensuring the motor receives exactly what it needs when it needs it. A crucial role of the inverter is converting the battery's DC power into the AC power needed to run the electric motor. Unlike traditional gas cars, most EVs use a simple, single-speed transmission or drivetrain, delivering power directly to the wheels with minimal loss. One of the most efficient features of an EV is regenerative braking, which helps increase the vehicle's range. When you slow down or take your foot off the accelerator, the motor reverses its function, acting as a generator to capture kinetic energy. This captured energy is then sent back to the battery, essentially charging it while you are slowing down, greatly improving efficiency. Finally, let's cover how you recharge your electric vehicle. You'll encounter two main types: AC charging for slower, overnight power, and faster DC charging, which can quickly replenish your battery on the go. Charging can be done at home using a standard outlet or a dedicated wall box, or at public charging stations found in many cities and along highways. Electric cars are not just a trend. They represent a significant shift toward cleaner, more efficient transportation. The technology is rapidly evolving, promising an even more exciting electric future.